Bolo Rei is a typical Portuguese dessert. Bolo Rei, which translates to king cake in English, is a sweet bread that is traditionally served in Portugal during the Christmas season. This festive dessert is made with a rich, yeasted. If you're interested in making Bolo Rei at home, here's a recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 packets of instant yeast, ½ cup raisins, ½ cup candied fruit, chopped, ½ cup chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, ½ cup warm milk, ½ cup unsalted butter, softened, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ a teaspoon salt, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. Mix well. Add the warm milk, softened butter, eggs, and vanilla extract to the bowl and mix until you have a smooth, sticky dough. Add the raisins, candied fruit, and chopped nuts to the dough and mix well, making sure that they are evenly distributed. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 2 hours. The dough should double in size. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Shape the dough into a ring shape, and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let it rise for another 30 minutes. Bake the Bolo Rei in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until it is golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Remove the Bolo Rei from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. Dust the Bolo Rei with powdered sugar before serving. Bolo Rei is a delicious and festive dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're celebrating the holidays or just want to try something new, this recipe is a great way to experiment. In addition to being a delicious dessert, Bolo Rei also has cultural significance in Portugal. The cake is typically served during the Christmas season, and is meant to symbolize the gift tea.